If you consume banana with blemishes, you should know what causes this. If you are one of those people who accompany your meals with a rich banana, then you are on the right path to enjoy good health for a long time, and the more mature the better, because the degree of maturity of the banana increases their levels of nutrients and other beneficial to the organism. Mature bananas contain a substance called tumor necrosis factor, which has the ability to fight abnormal cells that are detected in the body. Of course, bananas should not be so ripe that they become brown, but it is preferable that you choose those that only have black stain. These are the ones that contain greater benefits. Here's the tumor necrosis factor function in the body, and you'll be amazed that, do not imagine what a banana has black stains to your body. The substance tumor necrosis factor, or TNF, is a substance that can fight the cells detected as abnormal in the body, but this substance is not found in greater quantity in specific bananas such as the one shown in the picture above, usually are the ones we do not want because we think they could be in poor condition, but they are only fully matured and they have spots all over the fruit. Japanese scientists conducted an experiment where they demonstrated the incredible health benefits of ripe bananas. Unlike other fruits that are more commonly consumed such as apples, grapes and pineapples, bananas increased the number of white blood cells and improved body immunity. The conclusion of the research was to eat 1 or 2 ripe bananas a day. Bananas' antioxidant levels increase as the banana's level of ripeness increases, as well as increasing levels of starch and sugars, making your digestive process faster. I asked